All praise to the Most High. We're just going to go ahead and start our fried rice. So we got our wok. It's heating up right now. Put a little bit of oil in there. We're just using this. This is really good right here. In order to make good fried rice, you start off with your egg first. We don't want the egg to get too done. Just go ahead and throw our rice in there. This. Pop out the rest of our chicken. See what we got there? Press it down a little bit. Add a little bit of cilantro. Just remember, every time you cook it, you toss it, you press it down so it'll fry better. Go all around the edges. Movie in the background. It's a western. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have to redo the whole video. It was coming out so nice. All praise to the Most High. Thank you for watching.